Today I want to talk to you about dimensional analysis. So let's start out with some kind of problem. For instance, 98 donuts is how many dozen? Now I know that you know how to do that because you know that 1 dozen is 12 donuts. And you know how to set up a proportion like this. But we want to try something new, and actually it's going to end up being a really good shortcut in chemistry. So let's look at that proportion again. And what we want to do is move the 98 donuts up here. That gets rid of the 98 donuts in the denominator. Now we have something that looks like dimensional analysis. And let me show you why. Right here, we always start with our given unit, making sure that the given units are on the bottom of that next factor so that they cancel out. And we end up with that special factor called the conversion factor, because the numerator and the denominator are equal. 1 does not equal 12, but 1 dozen equals 12 donuts. And then notice that just like in math, the word donuts, if it appears in the top and the bottom of the factors, you can cancel them out. And so we end up with a very simple math problem, 98 times 1 dozen divided by 12. And I know that you know how to do that kind of math in your calculator. Let's try another one. 13 dozen is how many donuts? Start with your given, set up your factor, making sure that the word dozen cancels on the top and the bottom, and then it's easy enough to do the math. 13 times 12 divided by 1. That's it. But don't worry, you're going to get lots of practice.